Hey y'all, today I think I am just going to head back to Wegmans as I did not get to spend much time in the store last week because I had a lot of errands to run. So I want to spend a little more time in there today. So that's where I'm going to go, and I'll probably have to still stop by Aldi to pick up a few things. But I'll share everything when I get back. So first, I'm just going to finish up the grocery list and then head on out.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
All right, you guys, so I did end up going to Wegmans, and then I also stopped by Lidl. I'm going to start with Lidl first. So I did pick up some Minute Maid. They do carry it there all the time, which is great because it's my son's favorite. I picked up their brand of Cheez-Its. We've actually never tried them from Lidl, so hopefully they're good. For sliced cheese this week, we only needed some Munster. And for ice cream this week, I just picked them up some chocolate chip cookie dough. And they had these dark chocolate wheat biscuits, which everyone has already tried by the time you're watching this video, and everyone loved them. They said they have sort of a s'mores flavor to them. They had their Rising Crust pizzas on sale, buy one, get one free. So each pizza ends up being just $1.50, which is a great price, and I really should have picked up a few more to keep in the freezer. Did pick up some bacon. It's $3.99. And then we have quite a few bagels still left, so I only picked up one pack. And then the bread was on sale for 70 cents a loaf, so I picked up a loaf to keep in the freezer for next week. So at Wegmans, I did pick up a gallon of milk, and then I also got some sweetened condensed milk for some dessert this week, and also some coconut milk for my coffee. And I'm making the baked ziti this week, so I got some crushed tomatoes. Wanted to stock up a little bit on some black beans and pineapple tidbits. Got a huge bag of broccoli. I'm making some broccoli cheese soup, and we have salads all the time here. Got another bag of romaine hearts, some baby carrots, a family-sized container of grape tomatoes, and some mini cucumbers. And then I got some Parmesan cheese as we were out. And I saw this roasted tomato salsa. I love roasted tomato salsa, so I'm really hoping this will be good. 2 bags of some rotini, so I can make some pasta salad for lunches this week. I picked up a frozen bag of peas and carrots, and this is to go in the vermicelli. Well, with the vermicelli noodles. My girls really like mei fun from the Chinese restaurant, so I was going to attempt to make some for them. So we'll see how that goes. Then I got some mini chocolate chips and regular chocolate chips. They're a really great price at Wegmans compared to Aldi. I got some strawberry preserves, some whipped chive and whipped regular cream cheese. And then I got some of their barbecue pork rinds. I already opened these, and they're fine. They're just not super seasoned, so I don't think I'd buy them again. Only got 4 containers of yogurt, as my son is really picky and he prefers the Aldi brand, so I didn't want to buy too many. They still had their 18-pack eggs for $4.99, so I got 2 of those. And one thing I miss about Aldi is that they don't have a deli, so I did pick up some shaved ham and turkey. And I also got a block of American cheese to make pimento cheese with, which I do have a short on, so if you're interested in how I make my pimento cheese, I'll have it linked in the description. Picked up a couple more blocks of Munster and a family size block of extra sharp cheddar. And they had a couple different kinds of like pepper jack, and this one had jalapeno and habanero peppers, so I wanted to try that because I love spicy cheese. And then I also got a container of cottage cheese. I eat this for breakfast and lunch, but I'm also putting it in the baked ziti. I got a large container of sour cream. I use that a lot to make my microwave bread. And then they have these family pack boxes of pizzas for $9, and it has 3 frozen pizzas inside. Their ground beef is only $3.49 a pound, which is a pretty good price unless another grocery store happens to have it on sale that week. And then I got a 64-ounce bag of pierogies. My girls love pierogies, so these were only $7 a bag, and I thought that was a really good price for pierogies. I got some grape juice and apple juice, as it is cheaper there than getting it at Aldi. And then I only got 1 box of ziti, just because it's not a shape we eat very often, so I didn't want to stock up on it. I got a box of Frosted Flakes. Those are $1.89. And then I got the family size box of cinnamon squares. These are $4.99 for the family size box. So pretty good prices on cereal. And then I just picked up a couple boxes of their brand of mac and cheese. So that's everything we picked up at Wegmans and Lidl. And at Wegmans, we spent just under $160. And at Lidl, we spent just under $25. So I hope you guys have a great week. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.